The call to purpose, aligning with your true north. At the heart of Deida's philosophy lies a fundamental truth. A man without purpose is like a ship without a rudder, tossed aimlessly by the currents of life. A man's purpose is his compass, guiding his decisions, actions, and interactions with the world. It's the driving force that fuels his passions, ignites his spirit, and gives meaning to his existence. Discovering one's purpose is not always a linear or straightforward journey. It requires introspection, self-reflection, and a willingness to explore the depths of one's being. What are you passionate about? What makes you feel truly alive? What legacy do you want to leave behind? These are some of the questions that can guide men on their quest for purpose. Once a man connects with his purpose, his life takes on a renewed sense of direction and clarity. He no longer seeks validation from external sources, but is driven by an internal compass that guides him towards a life of fulfillment and meaning. This sense of purpose becomes the foundation upon which he builds his life, his relationships, and his contribution to the world. Living in alignment with one's purpose does not mean that life becomes easy or free from challenges. However, it does provide a framework for navigating those challenges with resilience, determination, and a deep sense of inner knowing. When a man is living his purpose, obstacles become opportunities for growth, setbacks become stepping stones, and life's inevitable storms are weathered with a greater sense of grace and fortitude. The dance of polarity, masculine and feminine energies in harmony. One of the most profound aspects of Deida's work is his exploration of the interplay between masculine and feminine energies. He emphasizes that these energies are not limited to gender, but exist within each of us, regardless of our biological sex. Masculine energy, in its essence, is about direction, focus, and penetration. It's the force that drives us forward, sets boundaries, and pursues goals with unwavering determination. Feminine energy, on the other hand, is about receptivity, flow, and nurturing. It's the energy of creativity, intuition, and emotional depth. In relationships, the interplay of these energies creates a dynamic dance of attraction, passion, and growth. When a man is fully embodying his masculine energy, he provides a sense of direction, stability, and protection, allowing the woman to relax into her feminine energy and feel safe to express her emotions fully. Conversely, when a woman embodies her feminine energy, she inspires a man to tap into his emotional depth, creativity, and capacity for love. This dance of polarity, when in balance, creates a powerful synergy that allows both partners to thrive and experience profound levels of intimacy and connection. However, this harmonious dance can be disrupted when either partner becomes stuck in their own energy or tries to embody the energy of the other. For example, if a man becomes overly focused on his masculine energy, he may become emotionally closed off, controlling or unable to connect with his partner's emotional needs. Similarly, if a woman suppresses her feminine energy and tries to operate solely from her masculine energy, she may feel depleted, resentful, or disconnected from her own emotional core. The key to maintaining harmony in relationships lies in understanding and honoring the unique gifts of both masculine and feminine energies, allowing them to complement and enhance each other. Embracing the masculine strength, courage, and presence. In a society that often sends mixed messages about masculinity, it's crucial for men to have a clear understanding of what it truly means to embrace their masculine energy. Deida emphasizes that true masculinity is not about aggression, dominance, or emotional suppression. It's about embodying qualities such as strength, courage, integrity, and presence. A man who embodies his masculine energy is comfortable in his own skin. He is self-assured, not arrogant. He is assertive, not aggressive. He is a leader, not a follower, but his leadership stems from a place of service and integrity, not a need for control or power over others. One of the most important aspects of masculine energy is the ability to be fully present. This means being grounded in the here and now, paying attention to what's happening in the present moment without judgment or distraction. When a man is fully present, he brings his full attention and awareness to every interaction, whether it's with his partner, his children, his colleagues, or even a stranger on the street. This presence creates a sense of safety, stability, and connection that allows others to feel seen, heard, and valued. It also allows a man to experience life more fully, appreciating the beauty in the ordinary and finding joy in the simple things. Embracing the masculine also requires courage. Courage to face one's fears, to step outside of one's comfort zone, and to pursue one's dreams with unwavering determination. It's the courage to be vulnerable, to express one's emotions authentically, and to show up as one's true self, even when it's uncomfortable or scary. In a world that often rewards conformity and mediocrity, true masculinity demands the courage to be different, to stand out, and to live a life of purpose and meaning.